good to have you back on my channel today, and I'll show you the easiest way to sew on your applique to your dress. This applique is usually cut out from your lace or harvested from any fabric you love its designs. I've just cut it out from the lace. It's also sold in shops. So once you get your applique, the first thing you want to do is to trim out the lace carefully and neatly. Just cut around the designs you want. Just cut it out neatly. The small scissors does it better than the large ones. So just cut it out neatly. And for this project, I will need the applique, my thread and needle. Just ensure that it's a matching thread to what you're sewing so that it will come out neatly. Out the applique, just carefully place it on your dress, like so. Just place it on the point you want it to be on your dress. Then you use your needle and thread to sew it on. Sew carefully around the edges, like tacks, just little tacks around the edges of this applique, and just all the way around, and you're done with fixing this. If you're using the sewing machine, you need to adjust your thumb screw or pressure regulating screw, this one. You need to adjust it so that it will be loose, so that you can easily maneuver around the edges of your applique. That way you will be able to sew on the edges and it will come out neatly. Watching today's video. The dress came out looking beautiful. I really appreciate your time. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and ensure to share this video with your friends. Have a look at my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.